Bizarre Global.
Looking up at the night sky on a clear evening will bombard your eyes with the shining glimmer of thousands of stars. The universe is vast and full of discovery, but many parts of space are quite literally full of nothing. These large patches of space devoid of galaxies are known as voids. Cosmic voids are vast spaces between cosmic structures in space that contain very few or no galaxies. According to NASA, voids are formed by the very nature of gravity. Gravity's very lengthy grasp likes to bring everything up in nice packages in the universe. So as time goes on in the cosmos, things start to move towards each other into clusters. Like moons around a planet, planets around a star, and stars around a massive black hole, like in the Milky Way, galaxies huddle together into what we call clusters. At any rate, when these clusters form, voids are left behind. And as time goes on, more and more of these clusters form, and the voids multiply and combine into more and bigger voids. Generally, with the standard model of the universe, scientists can calculate how big these large regions of empty space should be and what is inside them. The Boötes Void, also known as the Great Nothing, is a region of space that is known to contain 60 galaxies in a space that would usually have 2,000. Discovered in 1981 and located in the vicinity of the constellation of the same name, the Boötes Void is 250 to 330 million light-years across, and is one of the largest voids out there that we've discovered. So far 60 galaxies have been discovered in the Boötes Void, and all of those are found in a tube shape running through the void. For a fun thought experiment, consider the distance between us and our closest galactic neighbor, Andromeda. At about 2.5 million light-years, this would only cover about 1% of the Boötes Void. Expressing the vastness that is the Boötes Void, astronomer Greg Aldering said, "If the Milky Way had been in the center of the Boötes Void, we wouldn't have known there were other galaxies until the 1960s. For comparison, we first discovered other galaxies in the 1920s. So what makes the Boötes Void scary? Well, it's a large region of lifeless, empty space. A galactic limbo. Imagine being in a large dark room with the lights turned off, and no matter what direction you walked in, for any length of time, you could never get out of it. It would take many human lifetimes to travel across the Boötes Void. A trip through this mind-numbingly gigantic region of space would seem like an endless desert of nothing." Enjoy discussions about science, technology, the odd and paranormal? Consider joining our cult. I mean subscribing to our channel.